Hey guys, it's your girl Kim. So today I'm having Popeyes for dinner and I decided to share with y'all. So here we have the barbecue sauce, popcorn shrimp, regular chicken, and this is thigh and breast, and of course the fries and the drink. It's a regular drink. And of course, ketchup. So I'll be trying the shrimp first. Dipping it in my sauce, not too much. Oh my gosh. So the popcorn shrimp is not as crunchy as I thought it would have been, or as crunchy as how it would have normally been. I'm gonna try the chicken now. Oh my god. I'm telling you, the chicken is so bomb. I eat mayonnaise with everything, so I just add a little mayo on it. Weird, right? And I also will have ketchup with it, not much. The combination is bomb. So crunchy. Straight with the barbecue sauce. It's so crunchy, y'all. I don't know about anybody else, but I love fried food. It's not healthy, but I don't know, I just love it. And the fries, I love this kind of fries. Can't get enough. Oh, look at that. Lean to the bone. I doubt I'll be having all of this at once, but let's see. I think I'm full. Can I go any further? I highly doubt that. I'm really full. Should I try one more piece? Okay, let's try. I'm honestly full, but let's go. Going for the kill. Gosh. I'm sorry, I can't go anymore. I am trying. I'm a food lover. But I can't eat all at once. I eat round the clock, but not all at once. So I think this will be all for now. One piece of chicken and 2 little bites of the breast, and that is it for me. I am done. I tried. I tried. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you do enjoy this video. Please do like, share, subscribe, and comment down below.